Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks, once again to talk about the plant of the week, or shall I say plants of the week, because we have several different types of Kai plants, or cordyline, depending on how you want to pronounce it. People say it different ways, but the cordyline Thai plants are a fantastic accent plant here in Northeast Florida. We have right in front of me the black magic, which has a lovely dark purple and green leaf. Very nice plant, growing upwards of 5-7 feet at the most, kind of slowly. And then we have the red sister behind me and the Auntie Overtown. They're an easy way to get a nice pop of color and some tropical flair. You can grow these in the ground. You can grow them in containers. They look fantastic in containers. You guys come check them out. We got plenty of them. You can also check them out online. We have an online store. So if you go to Earthworks Jax and then go to the garden center and then click on our shop, you will find not only these amazing Thai plants in stock, but you will find our whole inventory online. So don't sweat it. Let us do the sweating out here in the heat. You can just shop online. We'll pull the plants to the back for you. We'll put your name on it and you can just swing around in your car and come pick them up. So if you haven't been to our online shop, check it out, Earthworks Jax, and then click on Garden Center and then hit shop and you'll find our whole selection. Also check us out on Facebook and on Instagram. See you guys next time.